Hey everyone, welcome to the Inked ATTY YouTube channel, and today I'm going to install the ADV kit, which is a 12mm expansion tank, to the Bravo RTA by Wotofo. The first thing you want to do is take apart the device. You will unscrew the top cap from the fill port, and then you'll unscrew the fill port from the base section. Once the fill port section and base section are separated, you can then pull the glass away from the fill port section. You're now ready to install our expansion stainless steel adapters. The stainless steel expansion rings have gaskets pre-installed. The opposite side from the gaskets has a protruding lip in the center. This protruding lip will face outward from the glass, and the side with the gaskets will face towards the middle. Place one ring on the fill port section and one ring on the base section. Put your glass between them and then tighten clockwise. Fill your device with a little bit of juice. Put the top cap back on and give it a test. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to visit our website www.inkedaddy.com. You will find a link for it in the description. Be sure to like and comment. Let us know what tanks you want to see next, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see updates on new devices that we release. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.